For most repair shops, finding the information needed to service a commercial truck takes a lot of time and money before the work even begins. With hundreds of thousands of documents, Diesel Repair's Technical Repair Docs has everything shops need to successfully complete jobs in one convenient place. You will find detailed information such as remove and replace instructions, maintenance intervals, engine specifications, torque specifications, recalls, technical service bulletins, TSBs, and more, all curated by the experts at Diesel Laptops. Our documents are created by the Diesel diagnostic experts at Diesel Laptops. Documents are organized to make finding the information you need easier, along with allowing you to download and save them for future use in case you don't have internet access. Start saving time and money with having the correct information at your fingertips. You can create your free account on Diesel Repair by heading to repair.diesellaptops.com.